I want to talk some foreign football this evening. Yeah, see me? See the one there? Pep Guardiola, the so-called GOAT of football coaching. Now in his 5th season in charge of Manchester City, close to £1 billion worth of players, and he's yet to reach even the semi-final of the Champions League, much less to win it for Manchester City. And look, no matter the foolishness, Pep Guardiola did not come to Man City to win the EPL and the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup and to play tiki-taki football. Guardiola came to Man City to win the Champions League. You don't go for the biggest coach in the world and give him £1 billion to spend on players to win some titles that you were winning before he came. So Pep Guardiola and his fanatics cannot continue to excuse away his atrocious record in the latter stages of the Champions League since coming to England. Pep can have no excuses for overthinking and overcoaching and basically choking every year in the Champions League with Man City. This season, him spend more money, strengthened what is already the deepest squad in world football. Big bad Bayern Munich is out of the Champions League. There is no excuse for Pep Guardiola and Man City not to win the Champions League this season. If City and Pep don't win the Champions League, then Guardiola is overrated and worthless. Yes. And if he win it, he should have win it long time.